Hello, I'm Liz Chan. Today, you will learn about commands.
Take the trash out.
Take the trash out.
You will learn how to prepare for an earthquake.
And these are some things that we can put in an earthquake emergency kit.
Now let's join Miguel and Ryan at the Main Street Cafe.
Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Mr. Jones.
You need this sign when you mop the floor. It says, "Caution, wet floor." Caution means to be careful. We don't want people to walk on the wet floor and fall. When the floor is wet, it can be dangerous. Dangerous. It means not safe. It can hurt you. Now it's safe.
Thanks, boss.
You're welcome, Miguel.
Be careful, Mr. Jones. It's dangerous.
It's important for Miguel to learn about safety at his job. Now let's join Miguel and the other students and see what they learn in their English class.
Good evening, class.
Good evening, Mr.
How are you this evening?
Good, thank you.
Good. Please take out your notebooks. Very good, class. You just followed a command. A command tells you to do something. Yingli, open your notebook. Good, Yingli. Now close your notebook. Good. Miguel and Jane, open your notebooks. Good. Now close your notebooks. Good. Everybody, raise your hand. Put your hand down. Look up. Look down. Good job, everyone. A command can also be negative. We say do not or don't. Watch. Marcelo, do not chew gum in class. Richard, don't sleep in class.
Sorry.
What were you wearing? I just was wearing what I was wearing.
Do not talk in class. They aren't very good students. You are good students. Now it's your turn to practice at home. Listen to my commands. I want you to do what I say. You can watch Debbie here to help you. Are you ready? Stand up. Raise your hand. Put your hand down. Look up. Look down. Sit down. Smile. Good work. Okay, class, let's learn some more words. Please watch.
Put the bread in the toaster.
Put the bread in the toaster.
Put the cup on the table.
Put the cup on the table.
Put the mat under the plate.
Put the mat under the plate.
Put the fork next to the knife.
Put the fork next to the knife.
Pour the water into the glass.
Pour the water into the glass.
Take the trash out.
Take the trash out.
Put the umbrella over your head.
Put the umbrella over my head. Okay, bye.
Bye. Be careful.
Okay, class, let's review the words we just learned. Jane, can you help me?
Yes.
Put the paper in your notebook. Put the paper on your notebook. Put the paper under your notebook. Put the paper next to your notebook. Put the paper into your notebook. Take the paper out. Put the paper over your notebook. Thank you, Jane.
You're welcome.
Now I want you to practice some of the new words. You'll need a cup and a spoon. You can watch Debbie if you need help. Ready? Put the spoon in the cup. Take the spoon out of the cup. Put the spoon under the cup. Put the spoon over the cup. Put the spoon next to the cup. Good work.
Now it's time to learn about safety and what to do in emergencies. Let's join Lana. She is at work at the hair salon. Watch what happens.
Cut a little off the top, please.
All right.
And not too much off the sides.
Okay.
Are you all right?
Yes.
That was an earthquake.
Earth what?
Earthquake.
I don't like earthquakes.
That was an earthquake. Lana is okay, but it's important to learn what to do if an earthquake happens. Let's go back to the English class and learn what to do in an earthquake.
Earthquakes can be very dangerous, but we can prepare for an earthquake. To begin with, it's good to have a box like this. This is for our earthquake emergency kit. I'll say the name again. Earthquake emergency kit. And these are some things that we can put in an earthquake emergency kit. This is a blanket. These are shoes. This is a first aid kit. And inside the first aid kit, you will find medicine. This is a flashlight. This is water. And this is food. Okay, now I need a volunteer to help me with the kit. Lana, please come up here. Ready, Lana?
Ready.
Okay, put the blanket in the box. Put the shoes in the box. Put the medicine in the first aid kit. And put the first aid kit in the box. Put the flashlight in the box. Put the water in the box. Put the food in the box. Good job, Lana. I think we have everything. Now we are prepared for an earthquake. Let's review the items that are in an earthquake emergency kit. I'm going to show you the item, and I want you to say what it is. Ready? What's this? It's water. What's this? It's a blanket. What's this? It's a first aid kit. What's this? It's medicine. What's this? It's a flashlight. What's this? It's food. What are these? They're shoes. Okay, class, now you know about earthquake emergency kits. Let's see what you need to do when an earthquake happens. Please watch.
Earthquake safety is very important. We must all learn what to do in an emergency. Everyone needs a first aid kit. You need a flashlight and extra batteries. You also need extra water. And you need extra food. Protect yourself. Drop and hold. Protect your family. Drop and hold. Cover your head. When you're driving, pull over and stop. After an earthquake, give first aid to the injured. Take the stairs. Don't take the elevator. Go to an open area. If necessary, call 911 for emergency assistance. Follow these earthquake safety instructions to help protect you, your friends, and your family.
That was very important information. Now we know what to do in an earthquake. Let's talk about signs we might see at the workplace. This sign says caution, wet floor. What does caution mean? Miguel.
Caution means dangerous.
Yes, very good. Caution tells you that something may be dangerous. You should be careful. Repeat, caution.
Caution.
Repeat, caution wet floor.
Caution wet floor.
Good, so you should be careful. Now let's look at another sign. What does this mean? Celia.
No smoke.
No smoking. Repeat, no smoking.
No smoking.
Good. It means don't smoke. Now let's look at some people at their jobs.
Do not enter.
Sorry.
No smoking.
Wash your hands.
Okay, class, let's review. If I see this symbol, what do I do? Lana.
Don't smoke.
Good. Miguel, if I see this sign, what do I do?
Do not enter.
Right. Now, Luis, if I see this sign, what do I do?
Wash your hands.
Good. Very good, everybody.
The students learned a lot in class today. Now let's go to Jane's house. Miguel is helping her make an earthquake emergency kit.
I don't want an earthquake.
I know, but you are ready. You have shoes, food, batteries, radio, blanket. Where is the medicine?
The medicine is in the first aid kit.
Good. Food, batteries, radio, blanket, medicine. Where is the flashlight?
The flashlight is under the book.
That is all.
Don't forget the water.
Oh, yes, the water. What is the water?
Under the table.
Thank you. You are ready, Jane.
Thank you, Miguel.
You are safe with me in an earthquake.
I know.
Miguel and Jane are prepared for an earthquake. Let's talk about today's lesson. You learned about command.
Put the mat under the plate.
Put the mat under the plate.
You learned about earthquake preparation.
This is a first aid kit.
You also learned about safety at the workplace.
Now it's safe.
This is a ball. This is a box. The ball is in the box. Let's review some of the prepositions from today's lesson. The ball is on the box. The ball is in the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is over the box. The ball is next to the box. The ball is going into the box. The ball is coming out of the box. The ball is going up. The ball is coming down. Now let's practice commands. Stand up. Sit down. Now I want you to try it at home. Are you sitting now? Okay, let's practice. Please do what I say. Stand up. Sit down. Good. Now I want you to say it to Natasha. Good work. Now let's watch some other commands.
Pick up the flashlight. Put the flashlight in the box. Put the flashlight under the box. Put the flashlight over the box. Put the flashlight next to the box. Put the flashlight into the box. Take the flashlight out.
Now I want you to practice at home. Take a pencil and a cup. Listen to my commands and do what I say. Ready? Do you have your pencil and cup? Okay, here goes. Put the pencil in the cup. Put the pencil under the cup. Put the pencil over the cup. Put the pencil next to the cup. Put the pencil into the cup. Take the pencil out. Good practice. Look at this list of words and choose the correct answer. Ready? What's this? It's a flashlight. What's this? It's water. What's this? It's a blanket. What are these? They're shoes. What's this? It's medicine. What's this? It's a first aid kit. What's this? It's food. Good work. Practice some more, and I'll see you next time.